years, Kaynes Semicon focused entirely on chip packaging. Now they won the whole board. But first, something worth knowing before we get into the nitty-gritties of the story. 82% of viewers who watch our content on daily basis haven't really subscribed yet. Joining our community takes just a moment, just a click from you, and it helps us bring you more stories like this. So do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. With that, let's get straight back to the story. CEO Raghu Panikkar confirmed that they are in advanced talks to expand into wafer fabrication, compound semiconductors, and equipment manufacturing. Now, let's break down how they really plan to pull this off. Kaynes isn't building from scratch here. They are negotiating joint ventures. They are talking to a Japanese firm for equipment, a materials partner, an LED player, and one major partner that could back their wafer lab and packaging all at once. So why the rush? The government just approved the 1.27 lakh crore rupees Semicon 2.0 scheme. Kaynes wants to hit the mid-August application window to grab a 30% capital subsidy, specifically meant for materials and equipment. They essentially are looking at Sanand and Dulera in Gujarat. Kaynes already runs a packaging plant in. They're funded 50% by the center, 20% by the state, and of course 30% by Kaynes. Expect that exact funding playbook here, because this isn't a cold start. Kaynes already works in MEMS tech. They are now hiring PhDs to build out teams for advanced technologies like gallium nitride, silicon photonics, and chiplet design. Now, how is Kaynes really planning to fund all of this? Now, to pay their share, Panikkar says that they might dilute a fraction of their 56% promoter holding. Thanks to a strong valuation, selling a small slice raises serious cash to pair with those government subsidies. Here's a reality check on this though. Nothing is signed yet. Everything depends on actually closing deals with these unnamed multi-billion-dollar partners and the government officially opening the application window. When you take a step back and you zoom out, and the timing is when it starts making sense, because Semicon 2.0 just passed. Seoul Semiconductor is scouting Indian locations and Paris Defense is dropping big money on packaging. The entire ecosystem essentially is accelerating here. Ladies and gentlemen, here's a front page take on this. Kaynes is making a massive leap to become a full stack chip company. They are relying on global partnerships to beat a tight government funding deadline. The real question is, can they get these deals signed by mid-August? Or is their ambition outpacing the clock? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. This is Front Page by AIM Network. Like, share and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.